Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of I Was Forced to Love My Stepmother, a movie queen in a lab show. Chapter 36, so here it is. Let's read the story. Tao Tao was still on the hospital. Now she's speaking to her friends. Jan Jan, why did you came here with Shan Yue? Now, Tao Tao is asking Jan Jan. Well, she doesn't even know. Jan Jan and Shan Yue have been close together lately. Well, definitely. Jan Jan will inform her about this. Shan Yue told me that you were in the hospital. Wanted to call you, but I was afraid of disturbing your rest, and I was worried for a long time ago. Well, this is really a good friendship. Right now, her friend seems to be false. Also, she got really worried about her. Even though they only meet on the movie show. Well, she's been friends with her. Also, Jan Jan, she really like her. But right now, I said it. She would be fine. I was holding her hands and suddenly got it off. Well, looking at it, Jan Jan was holding her hands. Shan Yue, the two of them, they're looking to each other. Looking at Tao Tao, who's left behind her. She seems to be confused. Hey, look at you. You've been worried all night. Your eyes are red. From staying up all night, you still have performance tonight. Really? It is obvious. Hey, how come you guys so close all of the sudden? And you actually going to Jan Jan's performance tonight? Well, Ran Tao, she's really confused because these two girls are really close today. Tao Tao, she looks really confused. Jan said, of course, I'm loyal fan of Miss Baijan. Anyway, there are extra tickets. It would be always if we don't go. Shan Yue. Seems that she was really shy to tell Tao Tao. I can go now, so you can just read my share as well. The mission must be achieved, Jan Jan said to her. It is easier for you. Tao Tao was looking at her. Probably, Tao Tao's already know about it. But looking at the two of them, Tao, you are. Hey, when did you and Teacher Su become so close? Oh, right now. Tao Tao. She looks really frozen. Hearing this on Jan Jan. Now, what is she going to say? Aren't we participating in a variety show together and forming a team? Jan Jan, can you help me wash an apple? I feel a little bitter in my mouth. Jan Jan, right now? I said okay. Well, this is not good. Didn't you always say that Suman sees you? Tease you for taking care of you wholeheartedly in the hospital, feeding you with her own hands. Tease you so much that I barely had time to change into my dress yesterday. Was Suman so nervous last night? Tao Tao is thinking. It's because my dad gave me to her. She is my stepmother. How can I not be so anxious? Tao Tao said to herself. Maybe it was because I was cute girl. Suman, she got really fond of me. It's like a maternal love. Tao Tao, do you smell something? Tao Tao said to her, what is this taste? Oh, the two of them are really good friends. Days of mother's love gone bad. Well, what did she mean by this? And Tao Tao she always got confused about her. Sometimes she really feels silly. But although right now seems to be confused, she threw the pillow to her. Go back to your places. But Tao Tao, don't you really find it strange? Oh, this girl, she really won't stop asking Tao Tao about Suman. And for Tao Tao, she really don't know how to answer her. Let me say this, Uncle Rowan and Suman went abroad after they got married. Now, she was really confused. Also, it really makes sense. Tao Tao is also will get confused about this. They started living separately right after their wedding and each took care of their own affairs. Oh no, Suman is taking care of you. Oh, this girl, she really knows too much. It seems like she was feeding Tao Tao so much information that she can really handle about this. Do you think that Suman has other intentions? More beautiful a woman is, the more likely she is to have going to be disloyal. Now, it seems that coaxing and lying are really natural for this. Even there was no other purpose if Suman's really married for love. She must be very sad now that they really separated. Suman's being hurt. You want to see it, right? Well, this is really confusing for Tao Tao, right? Whether to find out Suman's intentions or you're trying to defend parental love as a daughter isn't your duty. Just right. While you and Suman are filming variety shows together, you can spend more time to her. There are so many temptations around Suman. For now, you can take actions when you should, and you should test what she's really thinking right now. Now, her friend is really explaining her well. But Tao Tao right now, she heard the married. It's a sense of duty. Defends the married. Defend the marriage of her dad. Now, Tao Tao, she was really successfully brainwashed by her friend. And it's really crazy. It was really easy to deceive. Yes, you are right. Must find out Suman's intentions and I must protect my parents' love. It's Tao Tao after all. It's really on fire one. She was really the number one instigator. Well, we can wait to see what will happen next. Since Janjan was seen today, it seems that they arrived on the venue early. It was inside the theater. Everything seems to be dark, and it's nowhere to start now. But right now, looking at this girl, she was waiting there patiently. She was holding a bouquet of flowers. By the way, she really dressed well. She looks really gorgeous. Now, when she's looking on the stage, she is remembering something about the music box. Well, she looks really sad, expressionless, and also tells to herself that I have to love music boxes since I was a child. It turns out that everything is destined. She's been really dreaming about this. Now she was quietly seeing on the background. The outline of my lab script had already taken shape many years ago. Oh, this girl, she was really good. And also, she was really calm person. Hey guys, thanks for supporting and joining membership today. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!